everyone, my name is Rebecca Grace and I'm a Squarespace expert and website designer. Today we're going to be talking about adding an arrow or changing an arrow next to the Read More blog link in Squarespace. And I'm going to be showing you strategies for both Squarespace 7.0 and 7.1. So first of all, starting with Squarespace 7.0, depending on your template, you may already have an arrow there, and you may just want to change this. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. However, you might have to alter the code slightly depending on the template you're using. It may have a different class for the arrow. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Design, Custom CSS, and copy and paste the code listed below this video. Now this specific template already has that arrow there, and so I won't see anything change because I'm replacing it with the exact same arrow. However, what you can do is go to the HTML Unicode list that I've linked below this video to see a whole list of all of the arrows that you can use with this strategy. So for example, if I want to change it to a double arrow here, I'm looking at this code that starts with a 2-1, so 21C9. So all I'll need to do is change this to 21C9, and you'll see that that will change the arrow there to a double arrow. Now if this is not working for you, it could be because your template does not use this class here as the arrow on your template. So what you can do is just hover over top this with Chrome Developer Tools turned on, right click and select Inspect. And if I go up so that the Read More link is highlighted, you'll see my class there is blog list-item-read more. Yours may be something different, and so you'll need to change this to the class that your arrow is. If you are using Squarespace 7.1, chances are it doesn't have an arrow beside it, and so we'll be adding one in. To do that, you're going to go to Design, Custom CSS, and copy and paste the code listed below this video for Squarespace 7.1, and you should see an arrow added in. Now you can change a couple things here. Same as before, you can change the arrow itself by changing this numbers using the HTML Unicode list linked below this video. You can also change the spacing between the words and the arrow by changing this number 5 to be bigger or smaller. If you like this video and you want more tutorials on Squarespace, then make sure you like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. You can also click over to my blog and make sure you sign up for the freebie in my footer, which you'll then get notified of any new tutorials that I add. Until then, that is how you add or change an arrow next to the Read More blog link in Squarespace.